You okay? Can I take a photo with you and your dogs?
Yeah, sure.
Excuse me. Can I take your portraits?
Yeah, for sure.
What's your name?
My name is Jania.
What are your names?
I'm Anna.
Maddie and Anna.
Nice
to meet you. I'm Brian.
Nice to meet you, Brian.
Hi, Finley. Hi, Nicole.
Nico and George.
Hi, George. Now, how warm are you?
How warm am I?
Yeah.
I'm pretty warm.
You good?
Sorry. Wait, I'm gonna take off my jacket, my hat so I can hear you. Oh yeah, I put boots, I put sweatshirt, like a sweat hood, and then
wow.
a jacket.
Nice.
So they got layers.
Look towards me.
This is my good side.
That's your good side. Hi. Hi, guys.